In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer invoice for Online Entrepreneurs Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, accurate invoice and send it to your customer without any fuss. First, head to the contacts area. This is your central place for people and businesses you deal with. From there, choose customers to filter the list so you're only seeing contacts you invoice. This keeps things organized and helps ensure the right details flow through to your invoice automatically. Next, select the customer you want to bill. Opening the customer record lets Xero pre-fill their billing name, address, and email into the invoice. Take a quick moment to confirm the primary email is correct and that the contact is set up with the right currency if you work internationally. Those small checks can prevent payment delays later. With the customer open, click New to begin creating a document for them, and then choose Sales Invoice. This opens the invoice editor, where you'll put in the essentials your customer needs to pay you promptly. Enter the due date. Align it with your payment terms. Common choices are 7, 14, or 30 days from the invoice date. Being consistent with due dates makes your cash flow more predictable and sets clear expectations for your customer. Add a reference. This could be a purchase order number, a project code, or a short note your customer will recognize. A clear reference helps both sides match the invoice to the work delivered and speeds up internal approvals on your customer's end. Now, select the item you are charging for. Pick the relevant product or service from your item list so descriptions, unit prices, and tax rates populate correctly. Adjust quantity and price as needed and ensure the tax treatment reflects where and how you sold the item. If the description needs a touch more clarity, refine it so the customer can easily see what they're paying for. When everything looks right, click Approve and Email. Approving finalizes the invoice and assigns it a number, so it's ready to send and appears in your account's receivable. This also streamlines follow-up because the invoice is officially recorded. Finally, review the email message, make sure the recipient and subject line are correct, and click Send Email. Your customer will receive the invoice, and you'll have a clear record that it was sent. That's it. Your invoice is created, approved, and on its way. Use this simple flow each time and you'll invoice faster with fewer errors and get paid more smoothly.